thanks the editor of the Endoscopic Journal for giving me this opportunity to present a new procedure for resection of esophageal submucosal tumors. This new procedure is named MZER, mucosal zipper endoscopic resection, quite different from the STIR procedure. A few years ago, I performed the STIR procedure to resect submucosal tumors. However, in many cases, gas-related complications occurs. I speculate that endoscopy occupies most of the space in the tunnel. The air pressure in the tunnel is too high, causing gas linkage. Then in the next surgery, I attempted to expand the tunnel. Although gas-related complications were reduced, there were still some. The STIR procedures had a number of other flaws. First, the mucosal layer above large and longer submucosal tumors is difficult to dissect and easily torn. Second, due to the limitation of upper esophageal space, it's impossible to create a tunnel at the entrance of the esophagus. Third, it is impossible to use tools to pull or lift tumors to make a safe space for cutting. Fourth, normal mucosa is damaged while creating a tunnel. Then I tried to incise submucosal tumors using the MZER procedures and the closed mucosal incision without any serious complications. This indicates that the integrity of reclosing after mucosal incision is no different from that of intact mucosa. I also used the MZER procedures to remove small submucosal tumors and found no complications. The MZER procedure is not only suitable for certain submucosal tumors that it is difficult to resect with the STIR procedures, but also suitable for submucosal tumors that can be removed by the STIR procedures. The MZER procedures is safe and efficient. You can try it.